Alright guys, it's Mike here. So there they are. Those damn military grade connectors. Was holding them with the channel locks, pulling pins with the diagonal cutters, had the heat gun on them. There's the pile. It's actually they're pretty nice. But this took me about 45 minutes to do. Let's see, give you something to reference them on. They still a little warm. These things were a pain in the butt. Now, the ones that shine or go all the way through the rubber piece and come out the other side as the male connector, those were easy. You know, I put the heat gun on the back of it and then put it on the front of it, and they came right out like butter. As you can see by all the rubber left on there, the female connector ends, they suck. They really do. So I think what I'm going to do is incinerate these guys and then throw them into AP. If you guys can think of something else that'd be better, let me know. I'm putting this on as I'm headed out the door to work. You guys take care. Have a great week. Mike's out.